Do you think you need to pay for Grok to make good videos? Not at all. Today, I'll show you some free AI tools that can help you create amazing videos easily. I tested many AI video generators, and 3 tools stood out. The first tool is MetaAI. Go to the MetaAI website and sign up with your account. Here, you can generate images and videos 100% free, no credits, no payment. Just click on Create Video, upload your image, write your prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, your video is ready. Just download it from here. Now, moving to the second tool, Arena AI. This is also completely free, no credits, no payment. Go to the website, click on Generate Video, upload your image, write your prompt, and click Generate. Now, here's the interesting part. This tool uses 2 different AI models automatically. You don't choose the model, it chooses for you. It will generate 2 videos. You watch both, choose the one you like. Sometimes it will take too long to generate videos, but you can check this out. Now, the third tool, Qwen AI. This tool also creates high-quality videos. No credits, no payment needed for now. Just sign up using your Google account or download their app on mobile or desktop. After signing in, click the plus icon, select Create Video, upload your image, write your prompt, then click Generate. As you can see, it starts generating your video. This tool can even add voice automatically, which is very powerful. Once done, just download your video. So that's it. These are 3 free AI tools you can use instead of Grok to create high-quality videos. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.